Modifying a subset of rows in a Pandas data frame. Assume I have a Pandas data frame with two columns, A and B. I'd like to modify this data frame or create a copy so that B is always none whenever I is 0. How would I achieve that? I tried the following. And without success.
Use .loc for label-based indexing. The df.equals=0 expression creates a Boolean series that indexes the rows, B selects the column. You can also use this to transform a subset of a column, e.g. I don't know enough about Pandas internals to know exactly why that works, but the basic issue is that sometimes indexing into a data frame returns a copy of the result, and sometimes it returns a view on the original object. According to documentation here, this behavior depends on the underlying NumPy behavior. I've found that accessing everything in one operation, rather than a 1-2, is more likely to work for setting.
Here is from Pandas docs on advanced indexing. The section will explain exactly what you need. Turns out df.loc, as 0.9 has been deprecated as many have pointed out below, can be used for cool slicing/dicing of a data frame. And it can also be used to set things. So Bren's answer is saying find me all the places where df.a=0, select column B, and set it to np.nan.
Starting from Pandas 0.209 is deprecated. The right way is to use df.loc. Here is a working example. Explanation. As explained in the doc here, .loc is primarily label-based, but may also be used with a Boolean array. So, what we are doing above is applying df.loc, row_index, column_index, by exploiting the fact that loc can take a Boolean array as a mask that tells Pandas which subset of rows we want to change in row_index. Exploiting the fact loc is also label-based to select the column using the label B in the column_index. We can use logical, condition or any operation that returns a series of booleans to construct the array of booleans. In the above example, we want any rows that contain a 0, for that we can use df.a=0. As you can see in the example below, this returns a series of booleans. Then, we use the above array of booleans to select and modify the necessary rows. For more information, check the advanced indexing documentation here.
To replace multiples columns, convert to NumPy array using .values.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.